Good medical morning. Today I'm here to spread the word about some very special people. People who are out there every day making a difference. I'm talking about home healthcare providers. So what are home healthcare providers? Well, they strive to help people recover safely and independently in an environment where they feel most comfortable. They're caregivers who work with physicians to provide care designated specifically for the patient's needs and abilities. In this case, I want to send a special shout out to ASZ Caring Hearts Inc. of South Florida. With locations in Oakland Park and North Palm Beach, Florida, the good folks at ASZ are out there every day caring for people in need. So let's stop and take a moment to appreciate all the people who provide home health care. They help the aged, people with conditions like cerebral palsy and Alzheimer's, autism, Down syndrome, and the list goes on. So if you're looking for somebody to help or assist with a loved one in Miami-Dade, Broward, or Palm Beach County, pick up the phone and contact ASZ Caring Hearts Inc. Or for more information, check out their website. I'll put a link in the description below.